So here is Wegmans app. Enjoy special features designed just for you. Wegmans app is packed with features designed to help you put delicious meals on the table. Fast whether you shop in store or order grocery pickup or delivery. Tap into savings with exclusive digital coupons. Discover, import, and save recipes and turn them into grocery lists. Complete your shopping trip in record time with lists organized by item location at your local store. So yeah, exclusive savings every year for $500 plus. Turn your phone into your cookbook, all your favorites, grocery run in record time, and then you can just download it. So that's how you just get it. And then yeah, you can then just allow it, and that's the idea, that you can see some really nice deals, especially inside the app, because you have app only deals in a lot of marketplaces. So if you like some chain, if you're shopping there, definitely download the app, and then you will have app only deals and save some money.